Hi guys, kauntag mangga with Bagoong from Philippines, and my dear will try to eat. Ganahan siya. Okay, I will try first. May I taste? It's yummy. It's yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay. You can dip.
I taste first.
Okay. You taste first the mango.
Now, and what to do now?
I like that. Like just that.
Just like that. Like this. I. Let's taste. What happened? Let's taste. What? Okay. This taste.
Lame.
This taste is like round bale. Yes, this is same like
really?
when you open the round bale, and the smell in the round bale is like just like this taste. Yes, isn't it?
I don't know because I did not taste the round bale.
Yes, this is same.
Bale, the
round
animal?
bale, yes. Yes. I think it's because this is made with.
You tried it. You tasted the round bale. You tried it.
No, but it when you open the round bale, the smell is the same than this taste. Because I think that is the same mechanism. How this is done. Fermenting. Yes. Yes. Now we know how round bale tastes when our Highland cattle eat.
That's why the Highland cattle.
Highland cattle would like this very much. Yes, this is okay. But with the mango, I must say that I like mango alone better than with it. Yes.
Oh.
I think that it's better without this. But with these spices which you did put yesterday, and we did put it in rice, it was good.
Because this was.
But I don't like with mango.
Because this is.
I want to eat mango without this.
Because this doesn't have spices.
Yes, this is raw. Okay.
With vinegar only and the chili sauce.
Okay. But it's just okay. I like mango more without it. Yes.
Because
it was very interesting to taste. Thank you, Maria.
Because the mango is sweet. But if you eat it with mango that is sour,
oh, it's better.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is ripe mango, and sour is not unripe. Okay. Okay. Good to know.
Yeah.
Thank you for this new experiment. How to say it? Experience. It was very.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.